Okay. Hello, my friend.
Hello, how are you?
Today we fly.
You fly in the world.
The general there will let us fly the airplane.
Yeah.
And the Kapitan here putting my thingy.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. And hello.
Guy.
You look very good. What is that? Your new costume for today? Yes?
Yeah, of course.
We go fly.
You never come back.
You never come back? Well, free flight to London?
Yeah.
Free flight? Okay, come on then. Let's go up there.
Have a nice time, gentlemen.
Yeah, thank you, my friend. Yeah, no problem. We're gonna go there, up there, and up there. Yes, ready, Nane? You haven't flown before? Huh?
Yeah, on an airplane.
Huh? On an airplane? This one's a bit different. Yeah, King's waiting for us in the beach. Okay. In a minute. See you in a while. There's our boat.
Come on here, please.
Okay.
Oh, am I going to Mickey Mouse?
No, because that one's just a little one. Okay ka lang, Nanay? Alright, see you in a minute. Is it recording?
Yeah!
Alright, so
There's the boat.
look at that.
There's the boat.
Look on your right.
Oh, there's the beach.
Matatapat sa'yo tsaka sa akin. Tapat mo.
Oh!
It's hard, okay, just there.
Wait, this is just the water I'm taking. That's the boat.
Yeah. That's the beach, that's the club. That's alright, just dun lang, mo na lang.
Look at you.
Okay, look around, show the from there.
No, it's only mist there.
Look down, Nanay.
Oh, don't say that. It's so hard. Where's our hotel?
There, behind us. It's nice, look there. There's some boats there.
Yeah, you can only see the thing is it?
Where's our boat? Look at the boats, right? And the talent.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's our boat.
Look down. Whales.
There's my hand. My hand will let go.
King's there somewhere. Oh, that's the that's the
Oh, my legs are hurting. Seeing it coming. Oh, honey, that hurts more.
Kasi hindi ka nakapasok yung red mo yun, eh.
It is, but I'm wearing short. Ah.
Oh, there's somebody kayaking there. Look down, Nanay. There's a different color on the beach. Go down, the green bit.
There, see?
Over there, dun sa may beach, dahan-dahan. No? The way, doon kami naglalakad. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna turn us this way. There's the fishing boat, Nanay, on your left. Take a picture. Hi.
Namiga.
Look at that way. There now. Yeah. Take a picture of our boat now and then
There's our
pan it to the other way. There's the fishing boat. Hello, Mr. Fishing Boat. Go down a bit. Go down. There it is. Wait, mga pirata yan. Pirata. Nanay, they're waving. There's a hotel. Show the hotel.
Oh, is it? Which one is it?
Ito, no?
That's our hotel there.
I'm looking for a shark. There's no shark.
That's our hotel. And that's where we're going back over there. Oh, lamig sa paamin.
Yeah, tapos mamaya pagkababa na, i-close ko lang. Kasi hangin dito, malakas-lakas.
So.
Sa harapan ng beach natin.
Ah, that's what I was showing. See? That is our hotel.
Show your feet. Our feet.
That's yours. That's mine.
Where's our boat? Over there, yeah?
We're dangling. See?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's us. See, that's me.
Dolphins and whales. Doon sa malayo nga, Nanay, sa kanan, tapos papunta ron. Nice. There, tapos mabalik para makikita mo yung buong view. That's Port Alcantara na, eh. There's our pool, Nanay. On the left. There's the pool. On the left.
Yeah, there. That's our pool.
Okay, go down on the beach. Did you blow?
Yeah. That's where King swims.
Yeah.
Oh, I need my bottom.
It's okay.
down there. Over there.
Show their pool. Look. Go down. Look down. Sa baba. Mga nagsa-sunbathing. Okay. Go look down. Dun sa may bababaan natin. Tayo ka lang. Pataan lang. Yeah? Woohoo! Going down!
Left hand, left hand.
Okay, kamay. Get it? Thank you! Thank you!
Did you hear that?
Yes!
Together, okay.
Thank you!
Lovely. Very high.
Yes! Where's the general?
No.
I was looking for the general there. He says he's going to get his airplane, his helicopter.
Oh,
And then
lovely.
like
You're
it?
out.
Thank you, thank you.
My
thank you.
button. Here.
You got it? Thank you, my friend. Nane, how was your flying? Huh?
Right here.
Oh, your bum hurts.
Yes.
All we got was we didn't get our face because it was like.
Because of the sun as well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, you welcome.
Hold Nane, please.
Is it still
Yes,
recording?
it is. Yeah. My friend,
Okay. So
Thank you.
Thanks, you
if the boy wants to fly, we'll come back to you. Come on, let's go to the king. Let's go get that, Anna. I'll just get the bag over there, yeah? Hello, Nanay. Did you like that? Huh?
Yeah.
Hindi ka natakot?
No.
Huh?
No.
Alright then, come on, let's go.
Nakakatakot pa yung
How am I?
rides.
Is it? Yeah. Ayun na si General. Come on in. See you later. Bye.